I moved to this farm about 5 years ago now, and one of my main objectives here is to try create more food security, both for myself and in the community. So as I've lived here, I've put in more gardens, I've gotten chickens, and most recently some Dexter cows. My name is Sue Senger. I'm a professional biologist and agrologist. I think it's really important as a community, as a regional district, to look at food security. Food security is really about making sure that the area we have, which is amazing for agriculture production, is here and available to feed people long into the future. This is our chicken pen here, and we're using electric mesh fence with a solar electric. This is a way of having fruit trees and having birds without having bears or other wildlife problems. This is some leftover soup, and the chickens will come and they'll clean this whole bowl up. And again, it's a way of reducing waste. For most households, 2 or 3 chickens is enough to process your kitchen waste and produce eggs as a result. He doesn't want to be held. In communities, one of the challenges we face is how people handle waste around their yards. People sometimes will throw bags of garbage out on the deck, for example, or take it to the curb too soon. Storing dog food outside, feeding dogs outside, leaving bird feeders up, greasy barbecue grills, all these kinds of things attract bears into the community, and then once the bear is there, it's going to go from house to house looking for the same thing. It really takes everyone to be managing waste well. One of the challenges we face is invasive species. So these are plants that come in and take over the ecosystem. So they're introduced from somewhere else. They take over the natural places of other plants, and they don't provide the same food quality that the native species would provide. Invasive species should not be put in a regular compost pile, because then when you use the compost, you're going to spread their seeds all over. When bears cut used to eating garbage, most of the time they end up dead. So grizzly bear is a very wide-ranging omnivore, actually. So they eat many different things, plants and animals. So if you can keep a grizzly bear on the landscape, all the things that bear needs to survive are also on the landscape too. So that's why we call it an umbrella. It sort of takes care of many other things. We're facing a crisis on the planet, and we need to take better care of the planet and use our resources wisely.
Love this place, reduce your waste.